Hi, so my name's Ben. I'm the admissions manager here at the Birmingham Law School. I'm just going to talk you through a little bit about our LLM programme and the postgraduate opportunities we currently have available for our students. So just to give you a little bit of information about the study of law, here at Birmingham we're very proud of having a very long legal history. We have over 100 years of teaching and delivering innovative and exciting and engaging legal education in the law school, and very much in the heart of our fantastic campus here at Birmingham. Outstanding education and research is really at the core of everything we do here. Our staff team is around 80 academics at various ranges in their careers, from early career researchers through to world-leading legal experts. And they're the ones that develop and devise the really dynamic and engaging curriculum that you study here as part of the LLM programme. But also part of the optional modules and the range that you'll get to hear from in a little bit as well. So a big part of the University of Birmingham and the Birmingham Law School is the fact that we were one of the first civic universities in the UK. The reason why that's so important to us is because here at the Law School we make a huge impact into the local community. That's all done through our Centre for Professional Legal Education and Research, as we call it Kepler. So what Kepler do is they provide a range of opportunities for students and staff to be involved in some of the projects that help enhance students' experiences, but also give back to the local community through pro bono projects such as the Free Legal Advice Group. All part of that is that we provide students with fantastic prospects for when they graduate from the University of Birmingham, but also follow them through in their journey moving forward. So here at Birmingham, one thing we pride ourselves on is delivering really high quality graduate opportunities to students, whether that's through Kepler and through our careers programme that we have there, or through our dedicated careers network service. There's opportunities for all students to find out more about how they can influence their future career and move forward after they graduate here as well. And finally, just to focus on some of the new developments that we've had in law over the last few years, there's recently been a very big capital investment into the law school, which has resulted in a new state-of-the-art moot room, also a brand new study space for over 200 students to work and study, also a brand new students' common space, along with new teaching and research facilities as well. So it's a really exciting time to be part of the Birmingham Law School in a very modern law school, but in a very historic setting. So just to run through the actual programme and what the LLM structure is here at Birmingham, the way we do it is we split all our pathways down into flexible optional modules that you can choose. The way it works is that you'll decide to do the LLM here at Birmingham, and we call that the Birmingham LLM. After that, you decide which pathway you want to follow, and we have a range of different pathways, including a general flexible version as well. So I'll just quickly run through the ones we have available. So there's a commercial law, a criminal law and criminal justice pathway. We have the general LLM pathway, the international commercial law pathway, the international law and globalization pathway, the international law, crime, justice and human rights pathway, and the international trade law pathway. And how that works is that when you come here, you join on just the Birmingham LLM, and then you decide what kind of journey you want to take. So that means that you have to pick a substantial amount of modules from that topic, but then they can be made up with a range of other modules as well. So it's a really flexible way to further your career or just to develop your knowledge in a specialist interest in law. There's an example now of some of the modules you can take. There's a huge range here, and this is all because of our fantastic teaching staff we have. With over 80 members of staff in the law school, the range and expertise of legal topics is huge, one of the biggest in the UK, we believe. So you'll see there's some really fantastic opportunities to study things like elements of cyber law, transnational criminal law, and international trade law, just to name a few. The options you have are that you can follow the key pathways that you choose, or if you wanted to take the general LLM pathway, you could choose any of the modules and mix and match to your own degree specification as well, which is a really great opportunity to push forward with your skills and your development as well. So another aspect of the Birmingham LLM is that we're now developing a brand new online distance learning programme in energy and environmental law. This is the law school's first version of a distance learning programme, and it's a really exciting opportunity to develop your skills as an already engaged legal professional or somebody who's looking to move into the sector. It's a fantastic opportunity to be part of a brand new programme. It's got various intakes throughout the year, so it's a bit more of a flexible approach for people who are potentially already working or for our international audience as well. So it's a really exciting programme, and we're looking forward to taking our first intake in March this year. As I mentioned earlier in the presentation, I'm going to talk a little bit more about our Centre for Professional Legal Education and Research. And this is our centre that really aims to provide students with the best quality opportunities to develop their skills as a legal professional, whilst also supporting the development of our local community and supporting opportunities to engage there. So there's opportunities for students to be involved in the free legal advice group, which we call FLAG, and that's an opportunity where students get to work with practicing barristers and solicitors in the city to develop legal advice and guidance for members of the community. There's also opportunities through our street law team and also our advocacy and mooting programs. There's opportunities for students to get involved in any kind of aspect of the free legal advice clinic or any of the pro bono work that we do, and they're open to all students and staff members across the university as well. A big part of the Kepler programme is also the talks and special guest visitors that we get to come and deliver talks and lectures to our students. Last year we actually invited Baroness Lady Hale, the President of the Supreme Court, to come to the school and she gave a fantastic lecture all about what it was like being a woman in the legal sector and getting into this huge position of power and how that's worked and how that's affected her. And she was able to share a whole range of advice to our students and staff here. It was an incredibly popular talk. And that's actually something that we try and replicate every year through our Holdsworth presidential address and also our Leaders in Law series as well. So one of the benefits of being just 10 minutes away from Birmingham in the city centre is that you're part of one of the largest legal markets in the UK. It's a fantastic opportunity to not only get to know some of the firms and work with them, but also visit them for insight days and other opportunities as well. You'd also become part of the Birmingham Law Society, which is the second largest law society in the UK. And one of our current academics is actually the president this year, and every student who joins us automatically becomes a member of that society, so they get all the opportunities and all the advantages of being part of the second largest legal society in the UK. It's a really fantastic opportunity, and working with Kepler and the law school, you get all these opportunities open to you as an LLM student here at Birmingham. So just a little bit about the entry requirements if you do decide to study with us here. All we ask is that you have a good honours degree in law, or if you have an alternative qualification, an alternative degree, you must have a pass in the common legal qualifications as well. But all the information about how to apply can be found online. If you're an international student, we do require some certain English languages skills from you. So that's a 7 with no less than 6.5 in any band in the IELTS certificate or any other qualification can be found online, any other versions of that as well. So just to finish up, why would you consider studying here at Birmingham? As I've said, we have a long, rich history of delivering innovative and exciting legal education here. You become part of a fantastic, diverse community of over 80 academic staff and over 1,500 students ranging from all across the world. So you do get a really global perspective on the legal profession, legal education, and the community here at Birmingham. It's a really fantastic space to work. We have some of the best facilities now in the country, and we're continually developing the campus with students at the very heart of that. So we're looking forward to hopefully seeing you soon. And if you have any questions, you will be able to contact us via our website or drop us an email, and we'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.